This week on Nation's Business, we bring you the second part of the royal visit to Fiji. Their Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, Prince Harry and Princess Meghan Markle, was here on their 2 weeks Commonwealth engagement to New Zealand, Fiji, Tonga and Australia. Their first order of the day was a visit to the National War Memorial for a wreath-laying ceremony. An emotional morning here, war veterans, families and friends gathered under the blazing sun to commemorate those who participated and sacrificed their lives for our country. Poppies could be seen across the crowd as a symbol of remembrance, hope and a reflection of personal sacrifice. From here, the royal couple made their way to the University of the South Pacific. Excited university students gathered in numbers as the Royal Highnesses vehicle made its way inside the campus.
Ulavanaka. It is a great privilege to be with all of you today. As a university graduate, I know the personal feeling of pride and excitement that comes with attending university. From the moment you receive your acceptance letter, to the exams you spend countless late nights studying for, the lifelong friendships you make with your fellow alumni, to the moment that you receive your diploma. The journey of higher education is an incredible, impactful, and pivotal one. I am also fully aware of the challenges of being able to afford this level of schooling for many people around the world, myself included. It was through scholarships, financial aid programs, and work study, where my earnings from a job on campus went directly towards my tuition, that I was able to attend university. And without question, it was worth every effort. Everyone should be afforded the opportunity to receive education that they want, but more importantly, the education that they have the right to receive. And for women and girls in developing countries, this is vital. Providing them with access to education is the key to economic and social development. Because when girls are given the right tools to succeed, they can create incredible futures, not only for themselves, but for all of those around them. And while progress has been made in many areas across the Commonwealth, there is always scope to offer more opportunities to the next generation of young adults, and specifically to young women. The Association of Commonwealth Universities, which Her Majesty the Queen is patron of, supports universities to promote equality in their own institutions. So I am very pleased to announce today that 2 new grants will be awarded to Fiji National University and the University of South Pacific, allowing each of them to run workshops which empower their female staff. This means that female faculty members are able to encourage others to follow in their footsteps and enter higher education, and that more women become part of the decision-making process in academic institutions. Grants like this ensure that women are provided with the training and skills to operate effectively in their roles, and that those with leadership potential are given the opportunity to be heard and recognized at the most senior level. It is wonderful to join you here today, and we look forward to learning more about your academic endeavors and the work you plan to do as future leaders and as change makers. My husband Harry and I wish you all the very best of luck as you continue your studies and your work. Your efforts now will help to make a positive future for each of you and your communities at large. Congratulations to all of you. Vinaka Vakalavu.
Stay with us. After the break, we bring you more from the University of the South Pacific.
But the rest of the world has a bigger responsibility to make sure that this isn't happening.
Yes.
So just because Fiji is miles away, we need to elevate your voice. Because this is it's wrong. It's been happening for
So we giving you this game.
It's a snakes and
So you can play it on the plane when on the way to the other kingdom.
It comes with a dice.
Yeah. You have to use your own.
when they were coming up, I was a bit nervous and I didn't know what to say because, you know, they're part of the royal family in the UK. But then as they came out of the car and they were interacting with the kids, and when I got to see them face to face, the nerves kind of died down, and I remember, you know, they're just humans. So I'm very excited to share with them some of the challenges the women are facing in Fiji, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
From here, the Duke of Sussex departs for Dolly Suba Forest Park, while the Duchess of Sussex departs for Gordon House, the residence of the British High Commissioner.
To visit one of Fiji's 2 dedications to the Queen's Commonwealth canopy, and an honour to do so alongside all of you who have contributed to conserving Fiji's natural environment. It's incredibly encouraging to see how many countries have now signed up to this initiative in my grandmother's name to preserve forests throughout the Commonwealth. As of last week, 42 out of the 53 member countries are now part of the project, Kiribati being the most recent addition, and my hope is that the others will join soon. Forests are crucial to the survival of our planet, and all Fijians should be proud of your largely unspoiled environment. However, climate change is having a significant impact on Fiji. In fact, a World Bank report found that there will be increasing rates of disease as average temperatures rise, increasingly destructive storms as oceans get warmer and weather patterns become more severe, and disruption to agriculture as the intrusion of saltwater damages existing farmland. In summary, this country is highly susceptible to the impacts of climate change, and it is having a profound effect on people's lives. Just 6 years ago, Fiji's Vunutogoloa became the first village in the world to begin relocating to higher ground due to sea level rise. Since then, 5 more villages have been moved. In the next 18 months, I have been told 10 more will be relocated. And within the next couple of years, it is expected that over 40 villages will be displaced. We cannot ignore the reality of what is happening around us. But thankfully, good work is also being done. I've been impressed by the Fijian understanding of how to work sustainably with your surroundings. I've seen today how pandanus trees that grow in Philosilva can be used in the weaving of traditional mats. I've heard from local people and companies about how the preservation of the environment helps attract tourists, further contributing to the local economy. All of you depend on this beautiful piece of rainforest in some way. This delicately balanced ecosystem serves you so well, and there is an obligation to protect it for the benefit of the next generation. It is a precious resource that, once lost, can never be replaced. So I am truly delighted and grateful today to see you celebrating and honouring this extraordinary gift of nature. On behalf of Her Majesty, it is a great pleasure for me to welcome Tolo Suva to the Queen's Commonwealth canopy. Wonderful, very smart. Who's responsible for making this?
He's here.
Who's where?
Put your hand up, sir. Put your hand up.
Meanwhile, the Duchess of Sussex met with women empowerment groups. These included rural women groups, service women, women in science and conservation. Don't go away. After the break, we take you to Nandi for the unveiling of the Lamba Lamba statue.
Sergeant Lamba Lamba may have been born in Nandi, but he belongs to all of Fiji and to Britain. A hero in both countries through his distinguished service in the British Army. In 1961, this powerfully built and humble giant joined the many thousands of Fijians recruited by the British over the years because of their fighting prowess, their discipline, loyalty, and passion to serve God, Queen, and country. Sergeant Talayasi Lamba Lamba was born not far from here in the village of Watutu in Wakanandi in 1942. It was a time when the fledgling Nandi airport was an important staging post for the Allies in the battle against the Japanese in World War II. And it is extremely fitting that this statue of Sergeant Lamba Lamba is positioned here.
Bula Vinaka. Thank you to the people of Fiji for the warm welcome we have received during our visit. The Duchess and I are leaving with special memories of your beautiful country and look forward to returning in the future. Vinaka Vakalavu.